This is a video tutorial on how to navigate our Smashusmle review program. Once you sign up for the program, you're going to click Login with your username and password, and you're going to land on the dashboard. Once you land on the dashboard, you're going to notice on the left side of the dashboard are two videos. We strongly recommend you watch these two videos before you begin the course. The video shows you how to study USMLE practice questions and how to study the practice question using our ease method. On the right side of the dashboard, you get to see your test activities, the percentage of questions you've used and unused in your question bank. We also provide a free resource for the USMLE Step 1 and also Step 2 study plan that you can download here on the right side. You will also notice we put frequent updates on any new information provided by the USMLE examining body, so you can keep up to date with the latest information provided by the examining body. We strongly recommend that you click here to watch our 4-part series on how to study for the USMLE or the COMLEX. Below should score progress. Every time you complete a test question, you're going to be able to come here to see how well you're performing on each section of the practice question. Below you, here's where your account information is provided, and you can change your password here. We strongly recommend that you click this drop-down button to be able to select your test date. And once you select your test date and you submit it, you'll be able to know how many days is left before you start your exam. So let's begin our question bank. Click here on Step 1 Q Bank to access our question bank. In order to create a test, by default, the question bank is highlighted the Create Test tab. You have different options, including the test mode, where you can go timed, untimed, tutor, or time tutor. Also, you can select different question modes: all, unused questions, incorrect questions, or marked questions. Under the test division section, you can see the different subjects that are available for you to be able to select when you're studying for the board exam. You can choose to select all, or you can select just one category. If you click the plus button, you see the different subcategories that are categorized under each subject. You can decide to pick just an individual subsection. For example, if you just want to study neurology under pathology, or you can just select all pathology questions. There are a total of 2,231 questions available in our question bank, and you can select up to a maximum of 46 questions. To create a set of questions, you can select your test mode of choice. In this tutorial, we're going to select the tutor mode, and we're going to pick all questions. We're going to select pathology, and we're going to generate 10 questions. Click Submit. And this is what our question bank looks like. The question bank mimics the exact USMLE format that you're going to see on the exact exam. On the left, you get to see the number of questions that you have created, and you see the item number for each question. You can mark a question if you'd like to come back and review the question. And also, you can check your lab values on the right side. There's an option to take notes if you'd like to take notes while you're taking your practice question. And you can also calculate if there's a calculation involved. There's an option to select and change the background of the question bank by selecting the reverse color. And you can increase the size of the font. You have an opportunity to be able to use the highlight function when you're actually studying and practicing our question bank. And each question is provided with a set of options. You can cross out different options and you can select your answer. Every question has a correct and incorrect explanations that is detailed in our question bank, including education objectives and references. Once you've completed your question bank, you can either submit or suspend. If you suspend, you can always come back to review your questions, or once you submit the questions, you can review your questions after that. Once your questions are submitted, you end up on the previous exam tab, where you get to see the test question number generated, the date and time when you actually took the test, what test mode, and the main divisions and the subdivisions. You see your score, and you can also review. there's an option for you to be able to search any old practice questions that you've taken in the past. Under the cumulative performance section, you get to see your test activities based on incorrect, what percentage is incorrect, correct, unattempted questions, marked questions, and your total unused questions. Under our category-wise performance, as you're practicing your question bank, you see your performance in each section on biochemistry, pharmacology, and pathology. The red shows that you're scoring less than 50%. You can also click for more details to see how you're performing in each subcategory. For example, in this tutorial, you can see here on the gastroenterology, hematology and oncology, and genitourinary, the student is performing up to 100%. We also have an opportunity for you to reset the Q bank twice in our test review. Now let's go to the video section. To access our USMLE videos, click Step 1 Videos. Our Step 1 program is arranged based on the latest edition of First Aid from Behavioral Sciences in the Basic Sciences and Organ System all the way to Pulmonology. We provide notes at the bottom here for you to be able to download, which are summary notes for each of our lectures. To watch a video, click on your preferred subject. In this tutorial, we shall select microbiology. Click the topic of your choice. For example, we're going to click on bacterial endotoxin lecture. On the left side of the page, you can navigate to click on the different topics so you can watch your next video. By clicking on the plus icon, you can increase the speed of the video to up to 2 times the speed. For example, if you click plus, you go up to 1.25, 1.5, 1.75, and 2 times the speed of the video.
First of all, we have 2 kinds of bacterial cell wall.
In order to access our flashcard section, click on Rapid Review, and under the Rapid Review section, you get to see the flashcards. The flashcards are broken down by the different subjects. For example, here's pathology. Under our USMLE Advisor, we have USMLE Prep Guide, a USMLE audiobook, calendar, and resources. To access the prep guide, click USMLE Prep Guide. You get access to a free ebook on how to prepare for the medical boards, Secret for Success on the USMLE Step 1 and COMLEX Level 1. You can read the book for free inside your account. You can also access the audio version of the book by clicking USMLE Audiobook, and you can listen to the book here. To subscribe to our program, click on the link provided below in this video or go to smashusmle.com and click on Step 1 or Step 2 CK to sign up for membership. We have a free trial for 15 days with no payment required. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Hey, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you learned a lot. Are you studying for the USMLE Step 1 or Step 2? Are you studying for the NCLEX or you're currently in nursing school as a nursing student? Are you a PA student currently in school or studying for your PANCE exam? Or are you a nurse practitioner student or trying to take your NP board exam? Listen, I've got super awesome content for you. If you truly love this video and it simplified your learning process, I want you to check out my website below. I've listed all the list of exams, whether you're studying for any of this board exam, and all I want you to do is click on the link right now below so that you can take you directly to my website. For USMLE, just go to smashusmle.com. For NCLEX, go to crushnclex.com. And if you're studying for the PANCE exam, the nurse practitioner exam, or you're studying for your internal medicine board exam, just click below and it'll take you directly to ftplectures.com. Listen, I can't wait to help you. If you need to get in touch with me, just get to my website, be able to reach me directly, and we can work together one-on-one. Listen, you're super awesome, and my goal here is to help your dream come true. If you want to be a doctor, want to be a nurse practitioner, a registered nurse, or physician assistant, I'm here to help you get to that next level. With your medical knowledge, let's save the world together. I love you guys. You guys are super awesome, and do not forget to click on the link below to be able to get to my website. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You guys have a great day. Let's go.